Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today let's make the very tasty smoky chicken angara. For that, these are the ingredients we have to roast slightly. Let us do that. Firstly, a few cinnamon sticks, black pepper 1 teaspoonful, cumin seeds 2 spoons, coriander seeds 2 spoons, 5 red chilies, a few cloves. Let us fry slightly. We should not fry for a long time. Slightly till it becomes a little crispy. That's it. Then we have to make a powder and mix this dry. Small request, who will not subscribe my channel, please subscribe so that you never miss my updates and you will be the first viewer of my uploads. Click the like button, press the bell icon, then only you will get the notification. Now let us fry for 2 or 3 minutes. To make the chicken, we have to make this coil called fire. Let us do this one. Fry. I kept in low flame so that it should not burn. It is already done. Let us take out from the stove. Let us make the powder of these ingredients what we have roasted. And this is the fine powder of the roasted ingredients, spices. Now we have to mix in the chicken. Let's do that. Come on, let's begin the marination. This is half kg chicken. I have washed well in the running water thrice. Now let's mix the spices. Let's make the let us add the chili powder because we have already added the 4 chilies in the dry powder. So let us add the 1 teaspoonful chili powder. Salt as per taste. 1 spoon I am adding. Now little pinch kesari color. Let us add the dry fenugreek leaves or the kasuri methi. This is 200 ml curds. Let us add this. Let us mix well. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 spoon. Mix well. Mixing process is over. Let us place this to keep the charcoal. See how nice it is. It's fully well burnt. Let us add a little ghee on this to get the smoke. Immediately we have to close the lid so that entire the smoke will be absorbed by the chicken gravy. Let us keep for 5 minutes for the marination and get the smoke. Now let's make ready gravy masala. For that we have to, I have already kept the griddle on the stove. It is well heated. Now I am going to add the oil to fry the onion, sliced onion. We can use the same oil for the gravy also. So let us add the much oil only. Let us wait till it get heated. Our oil is well heated. Let us fry the onion. This is 3 medium size onion slices. We have to fry till light golden brown and till it becomes crispy and light golden brown. Let us fry now. Our onion well fried. See the color of the onion also became golden brown. Now let us take out from the griddle and keep for cooling. Now let's make the gravy in the same oil which we have fried the onion. We have taken out the onion. Now in the same oil we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. That too 1 spoon is enough because we have already added in the marinated chicken. Now let us add the green chili. Fry it for 1 or 2 minutes. Now ginger garlic paste is well fried and chili is also fried well. Now let us have the see how smoky it is. It enhances the good aroma and fragrance in the chicken angara. Let us take out this one. Now we have to add this. As we have added the chili in the marination, we have to add the very little half spoon. As for the taste, if you are a lover of the spicy much, you can use the much, but this is enough. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. This is homemade garam masala, mixing all the spices in this. So let me add half teaspoon this in also to enhance the good fragrance and the aroma in the gravy. Let us cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Let us do that one. Let us cover the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Let us do that. Let us blend the onion and the tomatoes smooth paste. Let us do this one. This is 3 medium size tomatoes sliced. Let us add this to make the puree of onion and tomatoes. No need to add the water because tomato itself watery vegetable. Let's grind. This is ground smooth finely puree of onion and tomatoes. Let us add in the gravy. Let us add this in the gravy. See how nice, how smooth paste is it. Let us add. Let us cook for 10 minutes more because just now we added the smooth paste of the onion and tomatoes. So we have to cook for 10 minutes more. Let us cook this. Let us cover and keep and cook. Let us add the other things in the gravy. This is homemade cream, 1 cup. Let us add. This is chopped corianders. Few pieces of chopped ginger. Now let us check the salt and everything if it is perfectly or not. Otherwise we can add a little. Let me check. A little needed it seems. Let us cook 5 minutes more, covering the lid. See the texture of the gravy, it is very nice. Keep the burnt charcoal I have already kept on the stove. Let us place this in this gravy and cover so that additional aroma and fragrance will get the gravy. Let us switch off the stove. Let us place this. Let us add a little pure ghee. See how nice the smoke arises from the burnt charcoal. Let's seal out this hole. Let us seal out this hole so that the smoke remains in the gravy itself and give the very nice fragrance. It enhances the taste rich. Let us see our gravy is ready or not. Wow, very nice. See how excellent aroma and fragrance comes from the gravy. Let us take out this charcoal, burnt charcoal from the gravy. Now our smoky chicken Angara gravy is ready to eat and serve. You can serve this with plain rice, chapati as you wish. If you like the way how I have made, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share with the friends and relatives. See how the smoke is comes from the gravy. The aroma of this gravy occupies entire the home. I think you may like it. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.